Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So guys, as you can see, I am kind of vlogging today and you must have noticed one more thing, that I chopped my hair. Yeah, I got rid of my long hair because first of all वो बहुत ज़्यादा खराब हो गए थे. खराब as in like there were split ends and my hair was not growing and they were looking so patla. So I just thought, why not get a haircut and have a complete makeover, because I didn't cut my hair since like 3 years, I think. So I thought, new haircut, new me, new life. So guys, today's day is too lazy because I have off day, first of all, and second of all, I'm without makeup, nothing on my face at all. Yeah, so I just got up a while ago and I took shower, I did my skincare, and I'm heading out for lunch today. So I'm gonna go quickly do my makeup and see you guys later. Bye bye. Hi guys, I'm back और मैं हो गई हूँ ready. It's too late. I mean, अभी 5 हो गए हैं और अभी तक मैंने अपना breakfast भी नहीं किया, lunch भी नहीं किया. I don't know. Sorry. I just got very like mild ready, you can say. Just little concealer and my, yeah, you can see. I'm ready and now I'm heading out for my pending food. Which I have to do it right now because I'm very hungry. And yeah, I will show you the BTS of my outing today. It's very short and sweet. I am going to a nearby restaurant, and yeah, I am doing this for the first time, so I don't know what I am going to record, but yeah, stay tuned, watch until the end, and bye bye, see you. अभी मैं आपको मेरा outfit दिखाती हूँ. Hi guys, I'm back again, and yeah, so that was the BTS you saw, and that was some real good food I ate there. And yeah, now I'm going home. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, and I know it was not really a vlog, but I tried, doing it, and I like it. I mean, I think I'm gonna try more doing of that. Let's see. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Lots of love.